Hello everyone. Here's our second video bulletin of the year. It's full of all the good that we've done in recent times and all that we are planning to do next, as also lots of fun elements. All of which make Rotary Club of Pune West one of the nicest places to be in. I'm not going to talk about the projects that we've done so far or all the club activities we've accomplished in recent times because all of that is getting very beautifully covered in this bulletin. I do want to comment though on the incredible teamwork and the spirit of buoyancy and positivity that has helped us address the rather strange circumstances that we've been in these past few months. We have done some wonderful projects. We have enjoyed some amazingly good club activities. Now, the next thing that's coming up right ahead is our club's fundraiser. And let's all work towards it so that we have the resources and the wherewithal to continue doing the good work that our club is known for. And finally, a big thank you to each one of you for being so supportive and so much a part of everything that's been happening. Thank you and goodbye.
Friends, the Vocational Avenue of Service speaks about the promotion of high ethical standards, not only in business and vocation and profession, but also in every walk of life for Rotarians. This is reflected in our four-way test. Four-way test is a simple, focused, and accurate measure of ethical behavior. It applies to everything we say, think, or do. All would agree that in an era when only end is germane and not the means to achieve the end, the four-way test assumes more relevance. Every day we read about crimes where innocent people are victimized. We also hear about questionable and unethical behavior of and by politicians, celebrities, and everybody almost, business leaders particularly. We, the Rotarians, can make a difference in our communities and the world around us because we believe in the four-way test. Friends, let us walk the talk and lead by example.
Hello everybody. I am Rotarian Sudhir Deshpande, Director Service Project 2, reporting the project accomplished till the month of September under my avenue. Tara Sofosh. Tara Sofosh is an orphanage started by Sofosh specially for children with multiple disabilities including physical and mental disabilities. On September 22nd, RCPW donated Tara Sofosh with half circular shaped table with 8 chairs for the special children's studies and also 28 sets of drawer units, each of which can be the child's personal storage space under his or her own bed. This was like dream come true for Tara Sofosh. The work was diligently followed for the design, the fabrication and child's friendliness of the equipment. RCPW also made arrangement of diapers for the year-long supply as per their monthly requirement of diapers costing approximately 20,000 per month. Rotarian PP Saurabh Dhanorkar initiated the funds through CSR from Mukul Madhav Foundation. The entire cost of the project worth 2,83,000. President Rotarian Kalyani, Rotarian Sudhir Deshpande, Rotarian PP Saurabh Dhanorkar, Rotarian Rita Kothari, Rotarian Niranjan Mathure, and Rotarian past President Vasant Vaishampayan from RCPW and Shubhangi Abhyankar and Nivedita Gupte from Sofosh were present at the occasion. Thank you very much.
Cyber Suraksha Update. Hello. In the month of September and till date, we have conducted sessions for diverse age groups, from girl students of St. Helena's to ladies group from Inner Wheel Club Deolali, from parents of Vidya Valley school students to army veterans, all have benefited from these sessions. We have also conducted a webinar on screen dependency for parents in Marathi. This webinar was conducted under the RAG vertical, that is Rotary Action Group Addiction Prevention. It was inaugurated by PDG Rotarian Dr. Shailesh Palekar. We have another webinar scheduled on the 10th of October, which will be inaugurated by PDG Rotarian Dr. Deepak Purohit. The total number of beneficiaries under this project in this month was 1200. We are happy that we are able to create awareness about cyber safety through these sessions. Hashtag Hum Safe to India Safe. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. Greetings from Literacy Committee. Team has successfully installed Interact Club at all 4 designated schools on digital platform. We could assess internet and digital infrastructure inadequacies in rural schools. In spite of all this disadvantage, committee took pains to train the students on use of digital platform and conducted 2 Interact sessions on digital platform. Interact session theme for the year is Health and Knowledge Sharing. The first session was on personality development and career guidance. The session was conducted by Dr. Deepak Walokar and Sheetal Bapat. Session was attended by 78 students and was an apt session for rural students as they lack exposure and awareness of career planning. Interact second session was on Indian heritage conducted by Rotarian Shekhar Nani Wadkar. It was a mesmerizing session. Shekhar took us all on virtual tour of Raigad Fort and enlightened us on great Indian King Shivaji Maharaj. This session has created a lot of interest in Rotary Club of Pune West session amongst the Interact Club members. Our next session will be on emotional management. I once again take this opportunity to thank Deepak and Shekhar for conducting a wonderful sessions. I also thank all RCPW members for their active support to the committee members. Thank you. Thank you.
There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place be much brighter than tomorrow.
And I feel that a human being or any person for that matter has to struggle for his entire life if he wants to gain anything. So I'm just putting my head up and trying to face challenges which will come in due course.
We have 17% पॉप्युलेशन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड आणि त्या 17% 55 ते 60% पॉप्युलेशन हे भारताच्या ग्रामीण भागामध्ये राहतं. म्हणजेच जगाच्या 10% पॉप्युलेशन भारताच्या ग्रामीण भागामध्ये राहतं. त्यामुळे जगाचे लक्ष त्याच्याकडे लागले.
So that's why I started doing these trips which were highlighting not the destination but a concept basically. So in that food was one of the major sort of concepts which I sort of introduced. And in terms of the cultural activities, we started doing a lot of heritage walk.
हाय फ्रेंड्स, आज मी तुम्हाला दाखवणार आहे एसपीडीपी कशी करायची. तर आपण स्टार्ट करूया बटाट्यानी. तर आपण याच्यावरती मूग टाकणार थोडंसं. मग त्याच्यावरती थोडासा कांदा, थोडासा टोमॅटो, मग त्याच्यावर आपण इमली चटणी टाकणार. आता आपण त्याच्यावरती थोडंसं दही टाकणार. आता याच्यावरती आपण टाकणार चाट मसाला, मग थोडीशी जिरा पावडर आणि किंचितसं लाल तिखट. आता त्याच्यावरती थोडीशी बारीक शेव, थोडं अजून दही आणि त्याच्यावरती कोथिंबीर. तर आपली एक झाली आहे. आपल्याला 4 वेळा अजून हा प्रोसेस रिपीट करायचा. आता मी या सगळ्या पुऱ्या करून घेतलाय सेम प्रोसेस, आणि सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे झाल्यावर काय बिगिन.
Hello friends, as we know October is Economic and Community Development Month of Rotary, and therefore Rotary encourages us to continuously work towards empowering community and enhance overall development, especially of weaker society. We as Rotarian and Rotary family are passionate about providing sustainable solutions in livelihood options. So how can we make this happen? I believe that we can create opportunities to help either communities or individuals financially and or socially by engaging and identifying and implementing sustainable projects that improves economic and social conditions of society in urban as well as rural areas. Women empowerment is another area where we can definitely work. Most of the women living in rural India do not have eligibility to get loans from banks and or regulated financial institutions. Therefore, making women's SHGs and providing them livelihood options would help improving economic status of rural community. As we also know that about 66% population lives in rural India, so I believe we can focus on these avenues by engaging industry experts in microfinance and help individuals to start small businesses. This is possible by skill development and business training that needs to be given to rural youths. Agriculture opportunities is another avenue where through experts we can provide guidance to grow cash crops or high demand low risk crops, or provide training in sustainable farming, dairy, food processing, etc. We as Rotarian and Rotary members also can help farmers increase their skills in adopting technology in farming and increase crop yields and overall profits. Friends, November is the Rotary Foundation month, and therefore I sincerely appeal everyone to come forward and contribute generously as maximum as possible for serving community. I am sure and confident that we all can achieve this as Rotary family. Thank you.
Friends, we hope you enjoyed this video bulletin. Bulletin committee and all the contributors are eager to receive your feedback. We will see you again next month with a bumper Diwali issue of Westwards. Till then, take care and stay safe.